Good morning, New Beginners High School. This is Mr. Donaldson, and welcome to Motivational Moments for Me. And today is Wellness Wednesday. Now, first things first, I do not own the rights to the song that's playing in the background. And to get things started, I want to give you a quote/affirmation for today, and it simply reads, I am safe right now. This will fade away. I am not in danger. I am getting enough air. I am starting to relax. I feel calmer. I am going to be okay. And that can be found at healthyplace.com. And I want to just use this quote/affirmation to encourage you guys that may still be going through like depression or grief, as we're still, adjusting and getting through this COVID-19 pandemic. I just want to allow you guys to just practice saying that affirmation and begin to allow your mind and your emotions and even your actions to just take on what it's saying to help you to get through. I know if you're struggling with depression right now, I know, your depressive symptoms may have worsened during this time. And, you may be at your wit's end. It's like, I don't know what else to do. I just give up. I'm hopeless. I'm helpless. But today I want you to hold on to that hope. Hold on, because help is on the way. And this affirmation allows you to just go through those steps to restore that hope that may have seemed lost to you. And just like it says, I am safe right now. That's the first thing you have to realize, that you're safe. When you're in a safe spot, a safe space, that allows you to take on that very being of being safe. And just knowing that whatever you're going through is just temporary. It's not going to last forever. It will fade away because you're not in danger. And it feels like it's suffocating you, everything that's going on, but just keep your head above the water and know that this too will pass. And the more you begin to just breathe, when you realize you're getting enough air, you'll start to relax, you'll start to feel calmer, and then you'll finally come under the realization that everything is going to be all right. Everything is going to be okay. And so I wanted to just encourage you guys today with this quote/affirmation, so you know that you too can get through this. You're not alone. We're all fighting this thing day in and day out. So continue to just keep your head to the sky, knowing that this too will pass. I'm Mr. Donaldson. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And be sure to like and share the video. Leave your comment on how today's video or quote has helped you or will help you to get through the day. I'm Mr. Donaldson, and enjoy the rest of your Wellness Wednesday.